The Telegram app keeps file locally on whichever device you are using whenever you use it. Sometimes you might wish to clear your Telegram cache, whether it's to free up storage space, improve your privacy by deleting local files, or fix the app's problem. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete Telegram cache files. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. From the Settings page, choose Data and Storage. Tap on Storage Uses. Tap on Clear Telegram Cache. Confirm it by tapping Clear Cache. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to delete Telegram cache files. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.